Hey, Short Boss, what made you select tonight's song?
Well, this is my favorite song from a tender age until I grew to know different versions of the song and loved it even more. So I'm gonna try it, even though.
You're gonna try it. Performing an unconventional gospel hit, Hallelujah. Make some noise for Short Boss.
I heard there was a secret chord that never played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, minor falls and the major lift. The baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Fate was wrong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty in the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to her kitchen chair. She broke your throne and she cut your hair. And from your lips she drew the hallelujah, yeah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Remember when I'm moving you, the holy dove, it moved too, and every breath I drew is hallelujah, yeah. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.
All right, let us hear from the judges, starting with Anthony.
Yeah, well, a different spin on gospel. I think, though, it worked. You really need to just calm down a little. Right, it just showed you in a more mature light. I enjoyed it.
Conroy.
Well, Short Boss, if you not feel well, you sound so. Me no want to hear you when you feel well. That was very good.
Alaine.
Yes, Short Boss, you absolutely took the night a while ago. Yes. Nobody could have known that you weren't well if we were not told that in your introduction. So the feeling was so authentic. It gave me goose pimples. That's your best performance. Awesome performance, Short Boss.
Vegas.
Yo, sometimes some things just work, you know. You understand? It's because you have that little horse. The song just fit your voice perfectly. Trust me, yo, you just like me head just start grow. And the people them head start grow too. And you just grow with the people them. Go and grow, yeah, man.
Thanks, judges. If you think Short Boss is deserving of your votes, then give them to him. Text the word vote to 444-5506 or call 444-5506. Thanks, Short Boss. Loving the jacket. 2 contestants left.